Hello everyone and welcome to Weighing Solutions and Instrumentation. This is our new product. This indicator is Wi-Fi enabled and you can send the data of product and high and low range of the product from software to the indicator, and the indicator will send all the data back to the PC via Wi-Fi, and all the data will be logged in the Excel sheet. So when we turn on the indicator, there are two displays. This is primary display for weight and this is secondary display for other things. Now the Wi-Fi is, this indicator is for Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is connected. We have a 3-color tower light here. Red for if the weight is higher than the specified range, yellow if the weight is less than the specified range, and green if the weight is within the specified range. This is the load cell simulator we have here. This is the indicator. This is our software for the scale. You can configure the products from here. You can add, edit and delete the products, as many products as you want. For example, we go to add product. You can specify the name of the product. Name of the product. You can give any code to the product. I am giving code. You can give SKU code also. You can add description of the product also. Now you can give the higher value for the product, higher weight range. So I am giving it as 0.550. 550 gram is the highest higher range, and I will give you 4.450. 450 grams is the lower range and 550 grams is upper range. So if the weight of the product when weighed on the weighing scale is within this specified range, it will show the green indicator. And if it is lower than this, then the yellow light will glow, and if it is higher than this, then the red light will glow. So you can save the product from here. You can add as many products as you want. You can add multiple scales also from here. I have already added this scale. So I have given the name to the scale like testing. This is the IP address of the scale because the scales are connected to Wi-Fi. Port number is 23, and which product is currently being used on this weighing scale. Which product will run on this product. So product 2 is selected. Description testing and separator is given as hash. When we save it, you get all the data what is working on the scale. The product data is already given. This is a different product 02. Description, testing, port and IP address, everything is given here. So we can configure, we can send this setting, this product name, product SKU code and description of and a high and lower value to the scale from here itself, from the software itself. This is the scale configuration, and we will get the live data coming from the scale in this tab. So to configure the scale, we will send the data from here. If we send this button, configure scale, the data will be sent to the scale. The scale has received the data. The first thing being displayed is the SKU code of the product which we have selected, and then it is lower weight is 400 and higher is 600. This is the product which is selected here, product 02. This is the product currently being selected. 0.6 and 0.4 is the weight range which we have given. The scale has already received the data from Wi-Fi. Product code is displayed on the first line, then is lower and upper range. Now we will start weighing on this. Whenever we place something on the weighing scale, given the decision as okay. As soon as the weight stabilizes, it gives the signal, the decision okay, and the tower light turns green. After 3 seconds, it goes back to the normal stage. If I put something lighter, which is lower than the specified range, it will give orange light because this one is lower. And if I put something extra on it, it will give green red light because this one is higher. And this data is simultaneously sent to the PC as well through Wi-Fi. The scale last decision was high, weight sent was 630 grams, date and time, as you can see from here. So we can just stop the scale from here and we can check the data which has been logged. And this is the Excel file in which the data is logged. You can see the recent data: 500 grams, 130 grams, 130 grams and 630 grams. That is logged in the first is the date, second is time, then weight, and then the decision whether it was okay or low or high. That will be logged.